In this video, I will show you how to play Immortal on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Although Immortal is an Android game, it's absolutely possible to play this on your PC for more immersive experience using the Bluestacks app player. Now, Bluestacks is an Android emulator, so what that allows you to do is play Android games on your PC or Mac. And to get started with this, if you come into the video description down below this video, you're going to find a link to click, which is going to take you to a website like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is click the blue play Immortal on PC button here, and that's going to go ahead and download Bluestacks onto your PC. Once it's downloaded, open it up. You can use your file explorer, and what you want to do is just run through the steps to install Bluestacks. Once Bluestacks has finished downloading and installing, it's automatically going to load up, and as long as you did click the link in the description down below, it's going to take you directly to the page for Immortal. Once it loads up, it's going to look like this. What you want to do at this point is click the install from Google Play button here. And once you've done that, it's going to take you across to the app page. Now on here, you're going to see a blue install button. Give that a click. And what it's going to do is start downloading and installing Immortal so you can start playing that on your PC with Bluestacks. Now just while it's downloading, I just want to run through some things about Bluestacks and why I personally love it, why I use it to play Android games on PC, and why I would recommend it to you guys to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now, there's some really cool features on Bluestacks I want to talk to you guys about, and to start with, I just want to talk about game controls. Now, for myself personally, I really don't like using touchscreens, so I prefer to use like a gamepad or a keyboard and mouse. Of course, playing on a PC using Bluestacks is going to give you the opportunity to do this, and the controls are already preset good to go. But you can of course customize them to your own personal preferences if you want to. Another thing I love about Bluestacks is the built-in macros feature. What this allows you to do is record and replay actions with just a single key press. So on some games where you get those monotonous tasks of dragging and dropping things, like the example video here where you can see it says drag a farmhand into grandma's glade, can get quite repetitive and boring. However, you can speed this process and automate it just by simply pressing a single key on your keyboard. Another thing that's really cool about Bluestacks is the built-in real-time translation feature. So this actually allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there's games that have come out that you've been wanting to play, but you can't play them because they've come out in other countries, and of course there's language barrier issues, you can now play that because Bluestacks has the built-in real-time translation feature. Of course, playing on a PC is going to enable a higher frame rate as well, giving you a much better, overall smoother gameplay experience. And of course, you can play all your Android games in full HD. Now, that's a couple of reasons why I personally love Bluestacks, but as you can see, there's a ton of really cool features built into Bluestacks, which is why I would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Coming back to Bluestacks, as you can see, the game has finished installing and downloading, so you're going to see a blue play button once it's finished, and what you want to do is give that a click, and then we can jump into the game. So you can see straight away, everything is running absolutely great. There's no lag or anything, it's running really smooth. So I just want to jump into the game itself just to show you how this plays on Bluestacks. You can see I'm using my mouse to actually control this. I'm just clicking around, and as mentioned, we can use our keyboard as well. So I can use my keyboard to type my name into the box here. Let's go ahead and choose a card, and then what we're going to do is click next at the bottom and see what card we get. But as you can see how smooth this game runs, it's really, really good. And it's just a really great way to play not just Immortal, but other Android games on your PC or Mac. So here we are, we're in game now, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to jump into one of the battles, and you can see again just how amazingly smooth this runs. The screen is very sharp, the colours are very vivid as well. It's just a really great experience playing with Bluestacks. So that is how to play Immortal on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.